my channel, and today we're going to be making a telescope.
Awesome.
So, we have someone in the background. His name is Cody Grady, so just ignore him. But I got this telescope, and we're going to be putting it together today. So let's get started. So we need to first open this thing, see what we have to work with. There's lots of boxes. Okay, so we have this, I'm not sure what this is, and we have this.
That's the telescope.
Yeah, because I can definitely see this. So we have two parts now, and then we have another box.
I bet this is the tripod.
Yeah. We have three little buckets, or things. This one doesn't have a lid, or the lid came off on accident. And each one is a different size, so that's also. We have this one, we have this tiny one, and then we of course have another big one. So we have like two of the big ones and one of just like a small one. And then we have this. I'm not sure what that goes, but we're going to figure it out. We have a disc thing. We have another thing. I'm not sure what this is either. And then we have this piece, and it's like, I don't know, maybe it stands or something. We're going to figure it out. So that's all the boxes. So we're just going to kind of move the boxes around.
Found any instructions here?
I have not found any instructions. Maybe it's back here.
Okay. The specifications.
Oh.
Why don't you go ahead and open the telescope first?
So we are going to kind of get everything open, and we'll be right back. I also just found this in a box. I'm guessing this is like to wipe something down. So we'll see what this is for. Okay, so we've got the main part on. So if you look in the picture of the box, let me see if I can hold it up good. It's this part right here. And that's the part that we have just put on. Right there. There it is. So that's the part we've just put it on to the telescope, which would be this part. And we can't really find instructions, so we're just going to try to figure something out. Okay, so now we're screwing on this top part.
Oh. Yeah, a little part. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's
Ooh. These are fun. I can't. They just like slide down. Takes a while to get it on there. We're wondering why it's sideways, like sideways on here, but in the picture it's straight. So that's also hard. So I was wondering if I put it on right, or you put it on right. But, oh! Can't tell if I'm screwing it on or if I'm screwing it on.
That's all.
If you're wondering what I'm doing, is I'm putting a little screw on here to like secure it in place. I don't know if it's gonna hold.
And then this.
And then
Here.
we are putting a part Is that the back or the front?
Unscrew that one over there a little bit.
Unscrew it?
Yeah. There you go. Keep going, keep going. There you go. Now tighten it down.
So right now we're doing something to the back. I'm guessing the back. And I think this is like, I'm not sure what this is, but we'll see.
Wrong way lens.
How are we gonna see? That? I don't see anything. Oh. We're trying to figure this out.
I'm not sure.
Oh, wait 1 second. Put your hand in front up there. Oh yeah, it is working. I'm gonna unscrew this. This one just makes it tiny. I don't like that one.
3 times lens. Should make it bigger.
No, that makes it tiny. Or that's me. This one makes it bigger. Look, I'm with my hand in front. Okay, guys. So, if I can see it, I think y'all could see it. But I'm not sure. So here is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing inside. Okay. I'm going to put my hand in front and y'all can see it. But for me, it's a lot more close. But here's our cat who has just come to join us. So, yes. Right now, we're trying to figure out what this part goes to. Because we're not sure. Okay, so then we got this one, and it makes it look huge, man. Like, I don't know if y'all can see because y'all are on camera, but that's how huge it makes it look. So we're going to bring it outside, and I'm going to see, or we are going to see, if this actually works. Cheetah, get off my bed! Just kidding, you're cute. Just don't scratch on anything. So then we have these. I'm not sure what they go to, but this is the telescope. It looks awesome. This makes it tiny, and I don't like it. But then we're firstly going to see what this can do, how good we can see the stars, and then I'm going to show you some glimpses into the telescope. Okay, we're going to take it outside. I'm not going to show much footage of like anything until we see the stars. Currently found one little thing, so we're going to see if we can see it. Do do do. Do 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 do. Okay, so I found something. I don't know. Let me see if y'all can see it too. 1 second. I'm trying not to show anything else. It's kind of dark, but okay, I found one.
This is like your spotting scope.
See?
And then once you get it marked on there, then you look this one over here.
We were trying this, and I found it on this one. I found one star. I thought y'all saw it, and then but when we look through that, it's not there. So we're currently trying another star. It's that one right there. So we saw one. When we look through here, y'all can't really see it, but we saw 3 red ones. So I found it through the telescope, and like it's yellow in the center, and then around it, it's red. Look.
Oh, wow.
I don't know what that is. So we're trying it. I can't really seem to get a star yet. We saw some stuff, but I really wish we could see more. But we're not done trying it. We're still kind of fidgeting around with all the gadgets and mirror lenses. But so far, I give it 10 out of 10. So here we are.
If I got Coco's, it would be freaking.
And we are right now just trying to look for something, and I keep walking, and But I think it's pretty cool so far. So I was just playing around with this, and I found out that we can make it a lot taller. Let me see. I'm trying to get it from ground view so you can't really see any houses and stuff. But like, we made it so much taller. Like, that is crazy. So yeah, that will probably help us a lot to see more stuff. So here it is, full view. I'm gonna try to like not show you cars. So I'm blocking the top out. But yeah, that's the thing. We just noticed that this brings this out and stuff, so that it's
And this brings it in.
And it brings it in as well. So that's awesome as well, and that will help us a lot. Okay, I found one. I'm gonna try to show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, look. If y'all pause it, like y'all can kind of see it.
Oh, there it was. Did you see it?
Yeah. If y'all kind of paused it, y'all could kind of see it. But since
It's on that one.
Okay, well, I'm gonna try to get. Oh yeah, see? See, Dad?
Yeah.
It's not blue, it's green.
Okay, I'm colorblind.
So we just decided that we're gonna name our first star that we saw Christmas Star because it's green and red and white, and that's kind of the Christmas colors. So our first discovery is called the Christmas Star. We found the Christmas Star again, which is that one right there. I'm not sure where it is because right here, it's right there for me, but y'all can't see it for some reason. But that's the Christmas Star. Look, I can see one through here. Look, I can see one through there. It's so cool. Okay, so I just told my mom about our discovery of the Christmas Star. She's really happy. And now we are just going to see if we can see any other stars. Also, a really nice man just came to help us look for more stars, and we can't wait to see if we can find any other more stars clearly. And I'll tell you if we can, and I'll try to get some like video footage of them. I already got one, so if y'all could see it, great. But some of it's hard because it's like really tiny. So, I'll see. And now I gotta grab some of the other lenses, and I'll be right back.
Put them in that little box, little bear.
So we're supposed to be bringing out more lenses, and my mom got her spotlight. So, and I gotta grab one of the tiny boxes so we can change things out. So I grabbed this 3x lens, and my mom grabbed a spotlight. And we're gonna go see if we can see any more. I'm also bringing out these, and I'm gonna put on a scarf because it is kind of chilly out there. So I don't really have a Galaxy one, but this one's the closest one to Galaxy. Sorry, I'm panting. I went up and down those stairs, so it was really hard. No, I am athletic. But here's a scarf. So I'm gonna bring these out. And I'm also using the scarf because it's really cold outside. So my mom came to join us looking at the stars. Dad came to join us. Okay guys, so we just got some advice, and now we are going to just continue our journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. That just kind of tells me which content you like. And subscribe if you like the content that I post. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.